Hey there folks, just wanted to make a video and show you the tools that I carry on my 2017 Dr650. Now up front I've got this wee fender bag. You've seen that in the fender brace install video, which I will link up here. So inside here, this is just an army molly pouch, and inside here I've got about a metre of spare fuel line, just in case. I've had issues with inline fuel filters before, so I always carry enough hose just to bypass it and a wee bit extra. I've got a puncture repair kit in here. I've got some patches, some glue, a wee metal rasp, and this is my wee ball thing for the compressor, which you'll see in the spark plug video I did. So they just stay in there. Then in a Ziploc bag, I'll show you that in a minute. I'll pull out my other Ziploc bag. I've got some rubber gloves, and in another Ziploc bag I've got my Motopressor pocket pump, which just lives in there. This is a great wee compressor. So this is the Ziploc bag I keep in with my compressor. In here I just keep various sockets. I've got a couple of small cable ties, 15mm socket, 17mm socket, a 14mm socket, and a 12mm socket, all 3/8 drive. I've got a 10mm socket and a 3/8 quarter adapter and an 8mm socket. I've got a bit holder, a quarter-inch bit holder, a 5mm Allen key, 6mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, 8mm Allen key, and a PH2 bit. I've got two 10 amp fuses and a 30 amp fuse, and a couple of these solder connectors that you just heat up with a lighter, and a top and bottom from my trail jack. Now that's all I carry in the front pouch of my motorcycle. These are all the sockets that I generally need. I haven't needed any more sockets. Right, I'll come around the back and show you my tool tube and what I carry in there. Now this is my Pro Cycle tool tube, which I've got a video again on this, which will be up there. Right, so in here I've got a rag, and inside the rag I keep a tyre pressure gauge, just a wee cheap one that I got. This is my trail jack, the Enduro Star trail jack, which I'll grab the bits for. So you've got a top and a bottom which just thread in. Like so, and it is adjustable with this R-clip here. This full length in here, so you get double that length. Now I can take both the front and the rear wheel off, obviously not at the same time, but with this jack, no problems at all. It's really stable and holds the bike steady. I've got two Drc Tire Levers here, 24 and a 19. The spoon end tire lever and the socket on the end. These are to take off my front and rear axles and to take tyres off. I've also got a third tyre lever in there, just a wee one. got this wee 3/8 ratchet here. Now this was a backhoe ratchet. It's quite an old one I've had for a while. What I did with the end of it, I cut off the shaft and I welded on a 3-inch extension bar. What this allows is, it's a nice small handy ratchet to get in tight places, but if I need any extra leverage, I can just put an extension bar on the bottom and extend it. So now I've got a big ratchet. And obviously you can extend that right out if you had more extension bars. So I carry this, a 3-inch 3/8 extension bar, and a screwdriver 1/4-inch extension bar. And I've got my 3/8 to 1/4-inch adapter there as well. This is a 6 inches long, this one. This one here I've also wrapped in electrical tape, so if I ever need to repair any electrical pieces, I just untape it from there and tape up what I need. I've got tape there and back here. I've got a couple of assorted spanners here. These are just ones that come with bikes. So I've got a 10/13, a 17/14, and a 10/12 there. I don't really use these much, but I just take them anyway. I've got a pair of long nose pliers and a pair of vice grips, just a small pair. Again, wrapped in electrical tape. I've got a wee screwdriver here, so this is just a standard one that comes with the bike that flips round. So you've got the Phillips end there, and then flip it around, you've got a flat head. These are actually pretty decent wee screwdrivers. And last but not least, this is the spark plug tool. This is the one that comes with the bike, and it's got a 17 end on it, so I've got a 17 socket, so I can just put my ratchet on here, take my spark plugs out. That's all the tools I carry. So that's all the tools I carry on my Drc650, folks. Quick tip, if you're ever doing any service work or anything on your bike, just use your toolkit. If there's a tool in there you don't have, and you find if there's a job in there you can't do with your toolkit, then get a tool to do that and add it to your toolkit, and just keep building your toolkit that way. With my toolkit I can pretty much do anything I need to on the bike. I can service my bike, change tyres, do a puncture repair. I can pull the tank, the seat, the side covers off, the rear rack, the pannier frames, get into the air filler, get into the valves. I've got a feeler gauge kit, but I don't keep that in my toolkit. I can repair any basic electrical items, I can do brakes, pretty much anything that you can think of. Any basic maintenance items I can do with this toolkit. Anything more major than that, and I'll just call the AA. I've got AA cover, and I live in a modern country, so I don't need to worry about anything drastic like that. If I was going away for more than 1 or 2 days, I would possibly take some spare tubes with me. But that would be about it. So anyway folks, hope you like this video. If there's anything you think, anything that you carry that I don't carry, and put it in the comments, or anything that you think I missed and that I should carry, certainly put it in the comments and I'll look into it. But this certainly does me. So thanks for watching folks, and I will catch you in the next one. See you.